From the heart of industry, a journey begins, transforming raw steel into tools of everyday life. Precision engineering guides each colossal steel coil, ensuring its flawless journey into the heart of production. Every sheet of raw steel undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring only the purest materials advance to manufacturing. Advanced laser technology meticulously scans for anomalies, guaranteeing the foundational quality of every single sheet. Within this automated labyrinth, steel sheets are precisely stored and retrieved, ready for their next transformative stage. In a controlled environment, each pristine steel sheet is carefully prepared, signaling the beginning of its transformation. With breathtaking precision, a powerful laser sculpts raw steel, giving birth to the intricate forms of cutlery. Molten steel yields to the plasma's embrace, forging edges with fiery intensity, shaping the future of design. With thunderous force, the hydraulic press stamps, transforming flat steel into the embryonic forms of elegant cutlery. From raw steel, the distinctive shape emerges, a promise of elegance yet to be meticulously refined.
Human eyes meticulously scrutinize each newly formed blank, ensuring every piece meets initial quality standards. Within these powerful tumbling machines, raw blanks are gently refined, their surfaces slowly smoothed to perfection.
From the gentle abrasion, a subtle sheen appears, signaling the first step in the journey towards polished elegance. A robotic arm delicately transfers each piece, preparing it for the meticulous cleansing that precede true refinement. Within the ultrasonic bath, impurities vanish, ensuring each utensil's surface is impeccably prepared for its next stage. Through controlled heat, moisture is meticulously removed, preparing each piece for its journey towards final perfection. Robotic eyes meticulously scan for perfection, ensuring every dried piece meets the highest standards before advancing.
With practiced hands, an artisan meticulously grinds, shaping raw edges into refined contours, a testament to skill.
The polishing wheel dances, transforming dull metal into a gleaming surface, revealing its inherent brilliance. Synchronized robots tirelessly buff each utensil, their precise movements creating a flawless, mirror-like finish.
A precision laser delicately etches intricate patterns, imbuing each handle with unique artistry and elegance.
A final, meticulous protective coating is applied, safeguarding the utensil's brilliance for years to come.
Under the soft glow of UV lamps, protective coatings cure, ensuring lasting brilliance and unparalleled durability.
Under intense magnification, every polished spoon undergoes a final, human inspection, guaranteeing absolute perfection.
The journey culminates, a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship, ready to adorn the most exquisite tables. With delicate precision, each lustrous piece finds its place within bespoke luxury packaging, ready for presentation. The final touch, a meticulously sealed box, safeguarding the elegance within, ready for its discerning recipient. A timeless wax seal, bearing the mark of distinction, signifies the unparalleled quality within each package. Stacked with elegance, each meticulously crafted box stands ready for its journey to discerning tables worldwide. Within this vast, automated realm, each luxury box awaits its designated journey. Every box is meticulously scanned, ensuring flawless tracking as it prepares for its journey to its final destination.
With meticulous care, each package is loaded, embarking on its final journey, destined for discerning connoisseurs.
Journey concludes its manufacturing phase, as each meticulously crafted piece embarks on its global distribution. Across diverse landscapes, the journey continues, bringing exceptional craftsmanship to homes around the world.
Arriving at its destination, each exquisite box receives the same careful attention, signifying its premium status.
Look at the detail on this set. It's absolutely exquisite.
Truly stunning. It would elevate any dining experience.
A touch of elegance, a moment of connection.
as discerning hands recognize true artistry and quality.
Expert guidance illuminates the story behind each piece, deepening the appreciation for its inherent value.
Beyond its price, each piece represents an investment in enduring quality, artistry, and timeless elegance.
Finally, in elegant homes, our cutlery adorns tables, transforming every meal into an extraordinary occasion.
Each piece, now a part of daily rituals, elevates the dining experience, a testament to enduring quality.
Colossal steel coil slowly unfurls, its raw power unleashed, ready for its transformation into utility and beauty.
From the control room, skilled hands orchestrate immense power, guiding raw steel through the fiery rolling process.
From the furnace's heart, molten steel emerges, sculpted by immense pressure, transforming into formidable slabs. Water cascades, rapidly cooling the steel, transforming fiery heat into resilient strength, preparing it for precision.
With formidable force, the automated shear precisely cuts steel sheets, preparing them for the intricate designs ahead. Advanced optical sensors meticulously analyze every surface, ensuring unparalleled quality and precision for each sheet.
In a pristine environment, steel blanks are precisely loaded, ready to undergo the intricate process of shaping.
The precision die descends, meticulously shaping the steel, transforming flat metal into elegant, functional forms.
Under immense pressure, the steel yields, meticulously molded into the graceful, functional curve of a fork bowl.
From the powerful press, each knife handle emerges, its elegant form now defined, ready for further refinement.
With skilled hands, each spoon blank is meticulously separated, beginning its individual journey towards perfection.
Robotic precision sorts each component, ensuring perfect organization before the crucial assembly stage begins.
The raw edge of the fork tine reveals its nascent form, awaiting the meticulous refinement that defines perfection.
Automated precision gently smooths every edge, transforming raw steel into a refined and comfortable form. Human touch meticulously verifies each deburred edge, ensuring a flawless, comfortable finish for every utensil.
The laser's precise touch fuses blade to handle, creating a seamless, unbreakable bond, ready for a lifetime of use.
Robotic arms meticulously spot weld, creating robust, invisible bonds, uniting components into a singular, elegant form.
Human eyes meticulously scrutinize each welded joint, ensuring every assembled piece meets impeccable standards.
Through precise heat treatment, each utensil achieves unparalleled strength and resilience, designed for enduring use.
From the cooling bath, the heat-treated blade emerges, hardened and ready to withstand the rigors of time.
In the lab, each piece undergoes rigorous hardness testing, confirming its superior durability and lasting performance. Robotic precision orchestrates multi-stage grinding, meticulously refining each surface, preparing it for its ultimate shine. With an artisan's touch, the high-speed wheel polishes intricate details, revealing the true brilliance of each curve.
Under intense illumination, human eyes meticulously scrutinize every polished surface, ensuring absolute flawlessness.
Robotic precision meticulously corrects any imperfection, ensuring every piece achieves a truly flawless, immaculate finish. The final touch. Human hands meticulously approve each piece, ensuring impeccable balance and a perfect, smooth feel.
Behold the culmination. Each collection a testament to artistry, ready to grace the finest tables worldwide.
The subtle emblem, a mark of unparalleled quality, signifies a legacy of craftsmanship and enduring excellence. A canvas of light and shadow, its surface reflects artistry, a testament to unparalleled craftsmanship and finish.
From digital design to tangible luxury, each brochure is meticulously printed, capturing the essence of our brand.
Each luxury brochure, a narrative of excellence, is carefully placed, enhancing the unboxing experience.
Across digital platforms, our story unfolds, inviting a global audience to experience unparalleled luxury.
In curated spaces, our cutlery stands as art, minimalist displays highlighting its inherent beauty and form.
The anticipation builds as the elegant packaging is opened, revealing the exquisite craftsmanship within. Every curve, every detail, meticulously sculpted, reflecting a commitment to both beauty and ergonomic perfection.
In the hands of a master chef, our knives become an extension of artistry, transforming ingredients with precision.
Even in the simplest moments, our cutlery elevates the experience, a cherished part of family traditions. In a future of innovation, our cutlery remains a timeless symbol of elegance, seamlessly blending with advanced technology.
Defying gravity, each knife rotates, a testament to timeless design, even in the most advanced futuristic settings. In a future shaped by innovation, the timeless ritual of family dining endures, enhanced by enduring elegance. From a humble piece of raw steel, a journey of meticulous craftsmanship unfolds, creating extraordinary beauty. Across the vast factory floor, every intricate step contributes to a symphony of steel, shaping luxury.
Behind every machine's precision lies the invaluable skill and dedication of experienced human hands.
If we refine the fillet radius here, the ergonomics improve significantly.
Agreed. Let's annotate this section for the optimization.
From digital vision to tangible form, the 3D printer meticulously crafts prototypes, shaping tomorrow's designs. Each blade undergoes extreme stress testing, proving its resilience and unwavering strength under immense pressure. A mirror to perfection, each blade reflects its journey, a testament to flawless polishing and enduring beauty. With utmost care, each exquisite set is nestled into its velvet sanctuary, ready for its grand unveiling.
A silken ribbon, adorned with our emblem, binds the promise of luxury, awaiting its recipient.
From nature's bounty to culinary artistry, our cutlery inspires, transforming ingredients into gastronomic delights. For life's most cherished moments, our cutlery graces tables, transforming gatherings into unforgettable celebrations.
Each bite, effortlessly savored, exemplifies the perfect balance of form and function, enhancing every meal.
In the world's finest restaurants, our cutlery becomes an integral part of an unforgettable dining experience.
Even after countless uses, our cutlery retains its pristine brilliance, a testament to enduring quality. With gentle care, each piece maintains its radiant luster, a timeless heirloom passed through generations.
Beyond utility, each piece carries a story, a cherished inscription, forging a timeless family legacy.
Our cutlery, an enduring legacy of craftsmanship, transforming every...
From humble beginnings, through meticulous craft, a legacy of enduring beauty is